Taiwanese. He's 32? Like, why is my phone not on silent? Your girl is taking online classes with Peking University. I love a bit of drama. Ni hao, daja hao, and welcome back. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. I think it's been about a year, maybe. The last goal was to get fluent in Chinese, and I'm not. But the first couple months were I was really dedicated, basically. And then got into K-pop. Yeah. It just kind of gradually, maybe not gradually, I think there was like an abrupt stop. I couldn't find any music that I liked in Chinese to keep me going. Now that quarantine has hit everybody around the world so hard, just I decided to get back into it, like fully, like get back into studying Chinese fully, properly. I'm studying every day, so you can follow me on that. I'm following a lot of different accounts on Instagram, like a lot of learning Instagram profiles, and I'm finding it really helpful, actually. And I'm not watching any more K-dramas, like no more K-dramas.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
Your girl is taking online classes with Peking University. And I'm really happy about it because it forces me to like do what I say that I'm gonna do. You know what I mean? So the reason why I signed up for Peking University for these courses is, for one, because my friend told me to, and for two, because I should have been conversational by now. Like, it doesn't make sense that I have been studying and like listening to the language for a year now and I can't respond. I've been on HelloTalk all the time, but it doesn't help me memorize the structure of the language, like sentence structure, like why is my phone not on silent, why sentences are the way that they are. So like, it's supposed to be like subject, verb, something else. I didn't know. I still don't know. So I'm retaking all these classes. I'm starting from zero. Like I'm starting from like, I don't know the language at all. And then going up to HSK 5, or like the highest level of HSK that there is, which I think is actually 6, which is business. I don't know. There are 7 weeks. So you're supposed to do it every day. You can skip ahead and like do more if you want because it's all online. But every week there is a test, and then every month there's like a review or like a major test or something like that, I think. But yeah, it definitely forces you to do it, and you're graded. Like you get a certificate and everything afterwards, and you only get the certificate if you complete everything. So as you're going along, you have to say that you completed it. There's like a forum, there's like a chat in there, there's loads of stuff where like it kind of makes you do what you say that you're gonna do, which is study Chinese. Like it's holding me accountable, which I like and which I need. Like I didn't realize how much of a structured person I was until quarantine. Things that I've been doing to keep myself entertained while on quarantine. Buying a lot of things on Amazon. I buy so much stuff on Amazon that Amazon needs to, basically, they need to hire me as a promotion girl or something. So we're gonna open up the next package that we got from Amazon. Can you see it? Wow. I already know what I got without even opening it because the packaging is so good. I mean, oh, you know what? I've ordered from these people before. They do send shit packages. However, their product is good. We got these yopoki spicy spicy rice cakes. I had this once, like a couple months ago, at a restaurant. I had this at a hot pot place in Chinatown with me and my friend. We went to this place called Little Lamb Chinatown, right on the main road, right on the outside of Chinatown, the little box. It's like on the main road, right on the main road. This place is so freaking good. It is so, they've got it downstairs, there's a upstairs. Now I'm thinking of someplace else. It's a small place, but the food is so good and it's cheap as well. It's like $30, 30 pounds, sorry, and it's all you can eat. You literally get like imagine a paper, and there's everything on there. There's all kinds of meat, there's all kinds of vegetables, there's all kinds of everything. So if you are a Londoner, or you live in the London area or right outside the London area, if you ever get to Chinatown, make sure you go to Little Lamb if you want to get some authentic, good-ass hot pot. Let us try and find a good drama to watch because I love a bit of drama. Netflix and chill during quarantine. So let's not be on Netflix. Let's go to Vicky. Hey Vicky, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Let's find something to watch immediately.
1 week later.
Let's watch Arsenal Military Academy. It looks like there's 3 main characters that are guys. There's one like really pretty like girl. It's not old. It looks very like maybe 1930s. Let's see who the main characters are. Oh my gosh, that is such a cute smile. Yeah, we're gonna watch this one. We're gonna watch this one. And his American name is Toby Lee. Oh, he's Taiwanese. He's 32. And this is how I go down a long spiral. Don't look at me like that, sir. Right, so this is the drama that we're gonna watch. It is called, what the fuck is it called? Arsenal Military Academy. This is what we're watching. It's gonna be fantastic, I can already tell. The music starts off with a bang. You know, I don't know yet actually because I haven't really listened to it. But you know, I've got good feelings. I've got good feelings because Toby Lee has the best smile. Got high 48 episodes. Oh God. It's fine. So this is what we're gonna do. Bro, by the end of quarantine, this is the goal. By the end of quarantine, I'm going to be on HSK2. I don't know when the end of quarantine is gonna be. Let's say a month. I'm going to be an HSK2 level student by the end of the month, in 30 days. That's the goal. That's the goal. Yes. Let's go shopping. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching me. go through stuff and talk because that's nice. Okay, good night, 晚安, good night, goodbye, 再见. Yes, yes.